Students, today's our topic is lymphatic system. Till now, we have studied about the circulatory system. In human beings, there are two type of fluids which are present. The one is blood and the another one is lymph. About the blood, we had studied in circulatory system. Now the turn is about to study for the lymph. Firstly, we will understand what is lymph and lymphatic system. Student, this lymphatic system is a network of tissues and organ that helps rid the body of toxins, waste and other unwanted materials. The primary function of the lymphatic system is to transport lymph, a fluid containing infection fighting white blood cells throughout the body. That means that lymph is a fluid or which is giving protection to our body against any kind of infection. Why? Because basically this lymph is consists of WBCs. WBCs are the white blood cells which are providing us immunity to fight against any of the infection. Now we will understand what is exactly lymph. Lymph is a kind of fluid which is present in between the cells. Yes, student, that means in between our cell we have some kind of fluid and that fluid is actually lymphatic fluid. And that is why it is also known as interstitial fluid. Interstitial means in between the cells. Hope स्टूडेंट्स आपको लिम्फेटिक फ्लूइड और लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम दोनों चीज समझ में आ गई होंगी. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट विद द कॉम्पोजिशन. सो इंटरस्टिशियल फ्लूइड दैट एंटर द लिम्फ वेसल बिकम द लिम्फ फ्लूइड मीन्स लिम्फ फ्लूइड के पास भी अपना एक लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम होता है. जिस तरीके से इन केस ऑफ सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम we had studied about the arteries and vein. In that same way, in case of lymphatic system, we have lymph fluid as well as we have the lymph vessels also. Both the things are almost same. The only difference which lymphatic fluids is having that they don't have RBCs, which is red blood cells. Now we will study lymphatic organs. They are of primary organ in which included bone marrow and the thymus gland. Bone marrow is present inside the cavity of bone like femur which is present in your leg. In that same way it is present in your backbone also. And if we talk about the thymus is a gland which is situated near the thyroid gland or just above the bronchi we can say. This gland is actually the site of WBC's production also. Now the secondary organ. These organ includes the lymph nodes and the tonsil and certain tissues with the mucous membrane. That means if we talk about the lymphatic system, there are two types of organs which are providing it. The first one is a primary organ and the other one is the secondary organ. In primary organ, the organs which are going to help in the production of WBCs like bone marrow and thymus gland. And in the secondary organ, these are the organs which are the supporting system of that immunity system. Like lymph nodes, they are the site where the WBCs are going to be distributed, and the tonsil and the certain tissues which are going to help in that particular process.